Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download DeepSeek on Android. Now, from your Google Play Store here, you want to go to the search section down here. On the search section, you want to type DeepSeek right here, and then you'll see this app will come up, DeepSeek right here, right? DeepSeek AI Assistant. Now from here, you can just click on install. It's a very small app, only 6 megabytes. So let's just wait for it to install here. Now you can see once it's installed, let's just open it like this. Now just click on agree. Now you can sign up. Let me sign up real quick. Now once I'm signed in, you can see now I have DeepSeek running on my phone just like this. You can see it works. I can ask it stuff like code me a simple Discord bot, for example. Like that. Now you can see it'll show me how to do this. It'll have me code like all of these. Now you can run this app freely on your Android now. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.